The International Countries Fair brings a vibrant atmosphere to Fuengirola with its diverse array of flavors, music, and colors. Until Monday, the town's fairground will be home to its most celebrated festival, bringing together cultures from all around the world. The renowned Feria Internacional de los Países in Fuengirola began on Thursday, 27 April with 32 nations showcasing their cultural pride through their stands. Formerly known as Feria de los Pueblos, the event had a great start with a steady flow of tourists visiting the fairgrounds, and with the long weekend of May 1st, even larger crowds are expected to attend and immerse themselves in the diverse cultures. The warm weather adds to the holiday feel, transporting visitors to the Caribbean with authentic Cuban mojitos and the upbeat sounds of Dominican Republic music. If the heat becomes too much, the booths of each nation provide a cool respite. Music is an integral part of the fair, catering to all tastes. The UK brings British pop rock, Mexico showcases rancheras and mariachis, Ireland features live rock bands, and the Latin American countries are a hit with the younger crowd who flock to dance to their lively beats. Foodies will be thrilled with the variety of dishes on offer. Those with an adventurous palate can try the lesser-known specialties such as zebra or buffalo burgers from South Africa or kangaroo steak from Australia. Latino classics such as arepas and empanadas, kebabs from Turkey, sushi from Japan, woks from China, hot dogs from the USA, and, of course, the Argentinian asado are all available. The host country, Spain, adds its own flair to the fair. The Spanish booth, decorated with bulls, meninos, and the Puerta de Alcalá, showcases the country's gastronomy with offerings such as octopus, veal, ham, cheese, and sweet wine from Malaga. It is a must-visit for those who want to experience the local culture. Thanks for watching this video on Costa Walks. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with all my future content. If you have any questions, then ask away in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.